Hi guys, we're going to do our notes for ordering and comparing real numbers, which is 8.2D. Okay, we're going to first convert all forms of the numbers into decimals. This is the easiest way for us to know how they compare. Write the numbers vertically with the decimals lined up. Okay, make all numbers have the same number of decimal places. So we can compare accurately. And you may also want to put them on a number line, which was recommended and shown to you in the Virtual Nerd video that you should have already watched. The third step is to order them according to the question asked in the problem. So are they asking us to do it least to greatest? Or are they asking us to do it greatest to least? Okay, these have been some problems for us in the past with ordering real numbers. Step 4, after you have written the decimals in the correct order, put the values back into their original form. Sorry about that. And whether it's square roots, fractions, percents, whatever. Reread the question and check that you answered the question asked. That way you'll know if you did it correctly. Is it least to greatest? Or is it greatest to least? And that's it. Those are your 4 steps. And now if you would go over to your notes, that'd be great.